Good morning, sir. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, sir. I am feeling a little short of breath and my throat feels full of mucus.
Yes, sir. They're normal of sugar. I help you to gather more easily the infection. How you heard of the know before?
No, sir. How do you eat?
Yeah, first sit up, staying in semi-fowler position. Take a dip in together your nose. Hold it for a moment and express slow together your mouth. Report the times after the take until the better. Hold it for a moment and count while pressing down on your feel to friends fine.
Yes, sir. How does it feel? Is any mucus coming up?
Yes, experience here do this regular expression if your feel stuck nurse or losing there. If you experience anything small, please let me know. Email to it.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your sake.
Your will, sir. I will document a report in your medical record. I have you report soon. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.